Challenges to implementing $1.5 million tax relief plan, but the government says it will do as promised. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, is the Petro-Carib Development Fund compromised?
The government to bail out Chinese-owned sugar factories.
Family appeals for help in trying to find a stolen baby.
And in the business day, junior market benefits extended.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The new administration says it has to reassess how to fund its $1.5 million income tax relief plan because the gas tax money it had expected to use was used up by the previous administration.
What's your reaction to this revelation? Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.